But today to call appeal. They tried to mobilize to pressurize the judge. The judge refused. Why? The judge could not nullify Bobby Wine. It had reached a political level. Bobby Wine's party had registered candidates at all levels, including the presidential candidate. How could you nullify this? He's a Ugandan. He knows you are playing politics. The judge refused. The appeal has flopped. Now, they are trying to intimidate Bobby Wine to get out of the race, which he cannot do, because the other forces have come in. Whenever you talk about, like Mukula, when he abuses Bobby Wine, we come in and tell you, Mukula, you lack the moral authority. Mukula survived the lynching in Kampala. So whenever you attack Bobby Wine, you cannot, because Bobby Wine, people are asking, you for Bobby Wine, what about the others? Because you cannot say that Kabuleta can't rule the country when you registered him as a presidential candidate. Why don't you talk about Kabuleta? Why do you talk about Bobby Wine? So that one has gone too. Assassinating Bobby Wine will backfire. I have not seen it anywhere where you conspire and assassinate a person and you go on with it. May I help government a lot? Before Bobby Wine suffered, that survived that bullet in Kayunga, I had ranga him to warn him. I had ranga him. Day after I rang him, because Bobby Wine has been ringing me, even when he formed the party. He rang me and said and told me, I've formed the party, but I've announced it early because I don't want to get problems. Why do they ring me? When you talk to me, they know I'm an arrogant man. You directed me as who? When you want me to do something for you, be humble. Museveni cannot risk a run. Because when Museveni risks a run, it will give these people opportunity to go and now sit down and say, who is the most popular among us? Let us now sit down and make a memorandum of understanding that in the future, if we win, we shall form a coalition government. Because a coalition government is a hunted animal. A hunted animal among the Waganda with the hunters is shared before you go to a hunt. Besigye bwakomawo kuluna bwangulani Museveni. Kati ba mafia ne batuula tebagala Besigye because of winning. They don't want winning as a facility. Ne bagamba Besigye ne bamumma sente. Ekyokubiri Besigye mu kalulu ka 2016 yagaana okuviira Mbabazi ba foreigners baabwe ne bamukatingako financial aid abali talina campaign funds. Kati Bobby Wine tebamuleeta ko nanaku nalumu kwesimba ku bwa president kyobula abamuvuma. When you see a person who is editing Bobby Wine like Mukula, these are agents of mafias. Bobby Wine now has gone beyond abusing. The strategy was started bamwenda bebaso kumuvuma nga babe nti bamuvume naye nga ku bwa president kwe bamugoba naye nga asobola banonyeza ki obululu. How can one man be good at mobilizing for you? Sebagala nti asobola kubeera mobilizing litasobola kufuga. How? Kakati Bobby Wine yabalemerera. Lolo ye gye bamuleetera yabalema. Kakati bwamala baddukako ne billion $5.8. Bobby Wine was surrendered to Say by his lawyer Amsterdam. This is where the mafia has lost control over Bobby Wine. Bobby Wine started visiting America. Say any interest. Why? America has a strategy to flash out to the Chinese is to invest in young Africans who have American values. Every year they are taking to their universities to train the people who rule Africa. Kakati gundi ajiramu Bobby Wine say emukwatako. The mafia has lost control over Bobby Wine and they come up with 3 issues. Counter. 1, deny Bobby Wine a party. Ne bagamba Balamu nagenda registering people power as a non-government organization. Bamukolechi bamufikising. 2, ne bamuteekako DP block kubanga yagano gende wammawo. Ne bamuteekako DP block. Omwana oyo yonna yabagoba bakamiliyoni bamukwako yabagoba. Kakati babategeera nti abagobye ati bakyaminako control ne baleeta gondi endala. Let us get a party for you. bamufugire muki mu party. There was no way Bobi Wine could register a party that belongs to NRM. NUP belongs to NRM, was registered by NRM. To change leadership of a party, you need 2 weeks, 14 days. They bought intelligence, military intelligence, they gave money to SID, they gave money to Yusuf was in their hands, and the newspapers were given money. But by the time Museveni realized to sack this man, Luakojo, the party had been registered. So these mafias again rushed to parliament, another faction. They tried to mobilize to rationalize the judge. The judge refused. Why? The judge could not nullify Bobi Wine. It had reached a political level. Bobi Wine's party had registered candidates at all levels, including the presidential candidate. How could you nullify this? He's a Ugandan. He knows you are playing politics. The judge refused. The appeal has flopped. Now, they are trying to intimidate Bobi Wine to get out of the race, which he cannot do, because the other forces have come in. Whenever you talk about, like Mukula, when he abuses Bobi Wine, we come in and tell you, Mukula, you lack the moral authority. Mukula survived the lynching in Kampala. He came to test from Soroti to attend a meeting of the mafias, but when the people noticed him, he fled through the back door of his office at Diamond Trust, went back to Teso. So whenever you attack a Bobi Wine, you cannot, because Bobi Wine, people are asking, you for Bobi Wine, what about the others? Because you cannot say that Kabuleta can't rule the country when you registered him as a presidential candidate. Why don't you talk about Kabuleta? Why do you talk about Bobi Wine? So that one has gone too. Assassinating Bobi Wine will backfire. I have not seen it anywhere where you conspire and assassinate a person and you go on with it. In Burundi, they assassinated Buyo. Buyo is in prison. He's running. He's on the run. He was recently sentenced to how many years? In Rwanda, they killed Habyarimana to torpedo the Arusha agreement that was sharing the power between Habyarimana and the RPF. Even when they killed these moderate Hurus, including the former Prime Minister, Agasa Wiringimana, was killed by the 10 Belgians, his bodyguards. Again, the Tutsis are in power. Tom Mboya was assassinated in Kenya, Gamo Pinto was assassinated, J.J. Kariuki was assassinated, but the people who were behind this never took power in Kenya. Even here, if we assess, it is the interest. That's why I help government a lot. Before Bobi Wine suffered, that survived that bullet in Kayunga, I had rang him to warn him. I had rang him. Day after I rang him. Because Bobi Wine has been ringing me, even when he formed the Easy Party. He rang me and said and told me, I've formed the party, but I've announced it early because I don't want to get problems. Why do they ring me? When you talk to me, they know I'm an arrogant man. You directed me as who? When you want me to do something for you, be humble. Don't talk about money. I'm not under anybody. I'm happy. I'm no longer a married woman. I'm not under government. So when I want to do something, don't bring your education. We shall tell the president to tell him to do it. Even the president knows
ngatumaliriza gwe as ngagwe mirundi as a political analyst akaruka ngokola Bobi Wine M7 obalabawa with political analysis.
Museveni is going to win.
How? Ngatanga tatula banagundi.
Three factors.
Esoka.
You see, tuina chetuita open indicators.
Open indicators?
Yes. A president to lose power to another person because there is what to lose and to be defeated. To lose power means that you embarked on a self-destruction mission. When you listen to what people are telling the president, the money is not with the president. Mbayo said, sente lyali ez'okuwa abasoka abalwanyisa gundi olakwina baziba. The mafias baziba, not Museveni.
Mafias under whose government?
When he goes through Teso, yes, he can explain this. The only problem is that Museveni is allowing those who are stinking, well, of course, to the people like Mukula, people like my sister, who was heading the COVID National Task Force. Teyali badde nabo. These are people, I even suggest Museveni should not campaign for MPs. Because the MPs, by campaigning for these MPs, is going to get transferred anger. People are angry with their MPs who tried to extend their term to 2 years. We can have a president without parliament. What do we get by an NRM-dominated parliament? Whenever there is a big deal, a big bill, Nankabiro demand is money. Musay it way your country. Demand money. So how can, if your wife starts demanding money whenever you want to make it up, why don't you buy a prostitute? Hey, because this woman is turning into a prostitute when you are feeding her, stays in your house, you are buying clothes, you treat her.
Everything.
So, yes. So if what does it do? So that's one point. That those the issues that they are choosing the president are not his personal failures. He can as well as visit these areas, and Museveni, I know him. This is what he does. He first make a tour of the area, get, and he will announce, I hear he has a 13-team task force. That's one. The second point, Museveni has identified where the problem is. The people who are financing Bobi Wine, some are Museveni's close relatives, and I can tell you, many of their accounts have been frozen. Many people have been taken to judge for questioning because the coup that failed, that riot that failed, a lot of people were arrested with valuable information. So they are pinpointing to people. This also gave a walk on Museveni. The third point, if you have a quarrel during the night with your wife, and your wife threatens to go back to her home, and tomorrow you see her in the garden planting cassava, then she's telling you lies. Kakati, let me tell you, where a leader is about to lose power, we have open indicators. We would see an orchestras of powerful people from NRM to the opposition. This happened in Kenya. Moi, it reached a time when Moi was appointing ministers every day. People were defecting. And one commentator asked, what if Moi himself defects to the opposition? So nobody, even those who lost in the primaries, prefer to become independent. Why? There is a future for Museveni.
I get your point.
3, when you see these people like Kadaga, who have ear on the ground, most of these people have Moses side the others, where they are presenting memoranda to the president, it means what?
There is a future
yes,
for him.
If a doctor, what a person should not do, if you lend money to your medical doctor, you die. But if a doctor lends you money, you survive.
So
But if you lend money to a doctor, you die. Your personal doctor. But if you see your personal doctor lending you money, then you have a future, has realized. So when you see people presenting memoranda to the president, they have realized
you're still
there is
existing.
A future. I'm telling you, this Bobi Wine wave that has swept across the country, within 2 weeks, it will be no more. Because I've told you the tricks that is employed. People inside the government, the people who want to kill Bobi Wine, to backlash on Museveni. Do you know what happens if Bobi Wine is killed? The country is plunged into chaos. So what happens? The military can intervene. And when the military can intervene, then they give you a transition, or they form a junta. Museveni cannot be part of this. A deposed person cannot participate. 2, they are talking about denying a 50+1 vote to Museveni that divides the country into different areas. Let somebody come from here, another one from here, another one from here. That on the surface appears well. But are you pursuing the same? Have you an agreed manifesto? If I vote, if I find that you have different manifestos, what happens? Many people in our countries, developing countries, don't look at manifestos. Some are driven by tribal sentiments, others by what? Parties. Do you think an effort this man can vote Mugisha Mundu or vice versa? with that rivalry. All of this will be reflected. So to me, I don't believe that they can score, deny Museveni 50 plus 1 vote. Because if Museveni is forced into a run, these people will not participate. They will say no. Museveni cannot risk a run. Because when Museveni risks a run, it will give these people opportunity to go and now sit down and say, who is the most popular among us? Let us now sit down and make a memorandum of understanding that in the future, if we win, we shall form a coalition government. Because a coalition government is a hunted animal. A hunted animal among the Baganda with the hunters is shared before you go to a hunt. Everybody before you go to a hunt. Kakati, a broad-based government is different from a coalition government. A broad-based government means that you come as individuals. There is no agreement. There is no sharing of government posts. But when it is a coalition, if one member leaves the coalition, it collapses. That's why in Europe they want coalition governments. They are not easy to manage. You have to beg this, you have to beg this. Museveni, who went through the UNLF for days, where UNLF was an amalgamation of armed wing, armed forces, warlords, and what? Museveni cannot allow this situation of a coalition. Museveni, he knows the problems involving the coalition. 3, when you see Museveni picking nomination papers, it indicates 2 things: has evaluated his past and future. If he is bundled out of State House in humiliation, then as people remember the last person to speak. People remember the last item. People remember the last song. So if Museveni allows himself to be humiliated at the polls, then as killed he will be all of his past at a risk. So me, when you see Museveni calculates. When you see Museveni, even when he is addressing these rallies, he's not panicking. He rejected the Basoga demands.
But panicking when accepting you already done. Can you cover them mungalo? No kiddies and beranga.
Abantu benali mumbamanyi. Bakuriyeting a situation forcing Museveni power send. Bayizo kubana bomu kungana.
Basale community bibiri abamu north.
And dibamu creating a situation bamanya nti Museveni can only give money out of pressure. This is the problem. N'abaana bo bakutegeera nti gwe taata tota sente mu mirembe baleeta ababbi ewaka bakuyiiya oyinza okufa kati Museveni supporters
nenga bamuyiiza emyaka 35
supporters bamumanyi nti Museveni dishes out money in the last 1 month aweereza sente abeerosi 4 times ekitegeeza sente bazirindiridde
zigenda kuba
all of these people are making noise
nawe oli omu kwabo
nze mbamanyi. Me, I cannot work under any committee in NRM. Whoever grabs the money runs away. Unless if the president believes that I have a role to play, my money must be on my account. The task force should give me the Baganda. We have a proverb. When we are eating akatogo, for us we don't prefer eating akatogo. We prefer each having his own piece of food on his plate. Because you cannot eat at the same rate. There are people who swallow. By the time you finish the first one, the food is finished. So we say, the Baganda will tell you, if each has his allocation, then the stability, I plan according to my stability. But every time I want to go to do something, what they normally do, they create bogus organizations, like in the media. A man creates a bogus organization, says, for you, you can't talk, I pay. Who are you? Am I your slave? On my resources and goodwill from the journalists. Now it comes that you pay me money. If money was possible, refund me even what the programs I did 5 years ago. So to me, I'm seeing it differently.
Some 7 agenda kuangula.
Ate kuangula.
Abana wangula abamu west ne kwa west
bamaliriza. Singa baddusedda. Abeesimbyewo singa baddusedda. Ffe tukimanyi. Bw'oba otambulira mu mmeri we mutegeera nti emmeri esinkinga the rats come on the ground wootegeerera nti bakuwangudde mu kalulu ba agents bo tebakomawo
abe bakyali
when you see ng'akalulu bamaze okubala ng'oli wuwa otudde olinda results and you hear some people dancing. You've already been defeated. Nobody wants to bring bad news. Our politicians are opportunistic. We would be seeing movement MPs candidates crossing to Bobby Wine.
Never gang.
Bagang. Chovola banti abadipi.
Bafane chintu chawe.
Abadipi.
Nenga cho chafa.
Abadipi tuita matakombiri. Kiswahili proverb. Matakombiri hakuna msituni.
Mu Luganda kibera kiti.
That is the battle is because they are split. You don't know where they belong. If you carry out a census, where do the battles belong?
In their own positions.
Because it is not one unit. It's a split unit.
Kale.
So, kakati nkugamba.
Na ulensonge ya batulaba mwebali nnyo olunaku olwaleero ku the flashlight channel.
Mawo bamudduseeko secretary we chairman we vice we. Kati abotegeera nti abaddipi bakitegedde gonjolera runo tebayitamu. Walabyewo wafa akulosinga. Walabyewo wenaali mwakulosinga.
Waliwo yakulosinga no owebunyolo.
Omu out of how many? Out of how many? Kubanga bano kugambi siba mu 7. Be MPs abo siba mu 7. 80% of the MPs of people power.
Which census are you? Census say.
Watugenda
okutandikirawo olunaku olwala mu Kulumirundi.
Sibabe. Sentences zigenda okukola mu kalulu. These are viable people. Ba MPs ekyo kyewaliogedde nti be MPs bakimanyi nti if I cross now government needs resources of the two Bobby Wine and Museveni has more money. They know his practice. He releases money in the last month because he sends money to the campaign committees for timers. Kati abadde akola sampling. Sente bajja zirya.
Mutukizo tandikira olunaku oluddako. Mwebale nnyo abalabi baffe abali ku mukutu the flashlight channel.